Hi, Philip Griffith here, and now we're down to 4 weeks till Christmas, only a month away. And as your professional photo organizer, I'd like to recommend that you consider giving an archival photo-safe storage box for your printed photos. You're looking for something that passes the PAT, photographic activity test. Not just something that says acid-free, because even if it says acid-free, you can have up to 11% of acid in the materials, which will still damage your photos. And this is something that you want to have storage for your photos so that they'll last for generations. It has a great lid and it just looks nice. And there are several different places that you can get something like that. For your digital photos, I recommend a Nixplay frame, which has a motion sensor so that it comes on when you enter the room, and then when you exit the room it turns off. But while you're there, it's flipping through your digital pictures so that you can enjoy them. And you can even share them with other people in your family. So these are all things that are planting seeds for actually getting your photos organized and in a position to be able to pass them down, because you want to use your photos to tell your stories so that they will last for generations.